What's up, everybody? Stereo Man back at it again. This is our mobile service. We've come to the customer's house to install this new product. This is the brand new Excalibur 1880 series. Yes, it has a longer range two-way remote with a bigger and better LCD screen, rechargeable remote, and it's not all big and bulky like that old-fashioned 1850 series from a few years back. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. This is not gonna have the alarm functions, just two-way remote start, and then you'll see how it works flawlessly. If you want this, you can have it. All you gotta do is make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. And once again, this is a 14 Toyota Camry, regular key model, non-hybrid, and we're gonna get this installed. As you can see, we are into the wiring on this 14 Toyota Camry, regular key model. We're gonna go ahead and finish this up. And of course, you won't be able to tell anything was ever disassembled, because that's what you always get when you come to Greer Auto. Those who desire the best make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. And when you see the shirt, you know you're dealing with the best. 708-821-3526. We can come to your house or your job. It doesn't matter. But what does matter is that you make the call. It really is just that simple. Let's finish up. All right, we are all finished with the 14 Camry. Look inside the vehicle. You don't see any wires hanging, nothing missing, nothing loose, nothing broken, nothing in disarray. Everything retains a factory appearance, just like when we started the vehicle. Well, the two-way remote right now is dead because it has to be charged. And the good thing about it, it's USB-C. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you on the one-way remote. We can lock the doors. It chirps, it activates factory alarm as well. And then if you hit the unlock button one time, it just unlocks the driver's door. Hit it again within 3 seconds. Then the rest of the doors unlock as well. This has trunk release. So you hold the trunk button for 3 seconds. And it opens. And the parking lights turn on too, as you can see. Now, this is programmed so that the doors do not unlock with the trunk release, because the customer didn't want the doors to unlock with the trunk. So you see the doors are locked right now. So when we open the trunk, some cars, like a lot of Fords and Lincolns and Mercurys, you have to set it so they'll unlock the doors with the trunk, or it'll set off the alarm, the factory alarm. And you see the trunk is open, and then the doors remain locked, as you can see. Now the main feature, remote start. You can hit the start button twice. Starts right up. It's set for a 20-minute runtime. So if you don't get in 20 minutes, it cuts itself off. Or if you desire to not go anywhere right then, all you gotta do is hit the button twice again, and it'll turn off for you. And of course, if you don't want to utilize the remote start, the regular key still works just like before. And now the buttons on the factory remote, they still work just like before. But the only difference is the factory remote only has a range of about 50 to 100 feet, while this two-way remote here has probably just over a half-mile range. And then the one-way remote has a range of probably about 1,000 feet, and that's with no obstructions. So when you desire the best, hey, we can come to your house or your job. It doesn't matter. What does matter is that you make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. Follow us, like us, subscribe to us, call us, and refer us. Until the next time, peace, God bless you, and we'll see you at the next install.